Hey everyone, if you want to capture ideas, manage tasks, or review your notes while you're on the go, Microsoft OneNote on iPhone is a great solution. It gives you access to your notebooks wherever you are and keeps everything synchronized with your other devices. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Microsoft OneNote on iPhone step by step. So let's get started. First, download Microsoft OneNote from the App Store if it's not already installed. Open the app and sign in using your Microsoft account. This allows your notebooks to sync securely through OneDrive. After signing in, open one of your existing notebooks or create a brand new one. Inside each notebook, you can organize information using sections and pages, making your notes easy to manage. Tap the New Note button to create a page. You can type text, create checklists, insert images, or format your notes using the editing tools available in the app. OneNote on iPhone works well with your device's built-in features. You can capture photos, scan documents, record voice notes, or even use handwriting with supported accessories. Yeah, it's a convenient way to save information wherever you are. Use the search feature to quickly locate notes, page titles, or keywords. As your notebooks become larger, organizing them with clear sections and descriptive page names makes finding information much faster. Whenever your iPhone has an internet connection, OneNote automatically syncs your changes. Your latest notes are available on your Windows PC, Mac, iPad, Android devices, and anywhere else you're signed in. And that's how to use Microsoft OneNote on iPhone. With automatic syncing and powerful note-taking tools, you can stay organized and productive no matter where you are. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more OneNote tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.